Good afternoon, welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for September 9th to the 23rd. For September 9th to the 13th, we have a ridge here over the west, trough here over the Northeast Pacific or off the Canadian coast, and this ridge gradually weakens as we go through the forecast period, and a trough is forecast in the east. The pattern will be mainly dry with near to above normal temperatures, but we're talking about possible tropical development. Remains a possibility in the Gulf. However, despite that, we expect moisture to spread northeastward into northern and northeast Gulf Coast states, and we'll take a look at that right now. Now, this is the map. This here is Larry, major hurricane, and then we're going to take a look at the possible system that we're forecast to develop is right here. Now, right now, the National Hurricane Center gives it a 30% chance of probability of development, and then it kind of loses it as we go through the period. This is a GFS, but you can see we have a low, and along the Gulf Coast is causing heavy rainfall here. Now we'll look at the European, develops a system, and then it moves it into Texas, and we're going to see how that goes. Okay, also, take a look at this. We will have a cold front that will be moving through the east and be along the east coast, with heavy rain possibly occurring along the boundary. And then the southern portion of this front across here will bring light precipitation across the southeast for the next few days before the front weakens out and moves out. Amounts will be light, except for, like I said, along the northeast Gulf Coast and southeast may experience heavy rainfall as moisture from the possible tropical development that is expected. Now, moisture will work into the southwest around the upper ridge, and rainfall will occur across the Sierras and into the Great Basin and parts of the southwest, and also moving into northern Rockies later in the week. See right here. So this all depends on what's going on in the southwest. Okay, looking at the period for September 14th to the 18th, you see the flow flattens, and we have above normal heights, near to above normal heights across the country, ridge across southern states, flow across the northern states, and we have a trough here, and that might have an influence later on in the period. So models a good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, let me get to the map. I'm having trouble clicking. Oh, here we go. Above normal temperatures for much of the country, or for the entire country, and I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 8 degrees above normal. That'll be here and here. Lower anomalies like 2 to 4 across this region here. And for precipitation, let me see if I have the right map. Yep. Forecasting below normal precipitation for a large majority of the country, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And we have a small area above normal precipitation for the Texas Gulf Coast into southwest Louisiana. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Looking at the period now, let me see, you got to get the right map up. Okay. Got to arrange these maps a little bit. This is for September 19th to 23rd. And And you can see that the pattern remains pretty much unchanged. Zonal flow across the northern states, ridge here suppressed across the south. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting hold on a second. I don't know what is going on here. Okay, forecasting, little change in the temperature anomalies, except that I got to see how this goes, because I'm thinking with this trough here across southern Canada could influence the temperatures. Any day now. We can get this. Across this area here, I think the area of above normal temperatures could be cut off, like across this area here, to below or slightly or near normal for this area. So forecasting above normal temperatures here and anomalies of up to 8 degrees above normal forecast. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and here. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for September 9th to 23rd. And thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.